installed. This car is with canvas box. We need to set it up. We enter the settings factory settings input password canvas settings select the agreement brand select the car series select the corresponding model you click to determine. Remember, the first setting, you need to connect to the network. After the setting is completed, you can synchronize the air conditioning information. You can use radar detection. Double flash buttons and door lock buttons are also in normal use. Support door unclosed reminder. You can listen to your favorite songs and control the steering wheel to switch or adjust the volume. In addition, you can choose your favorite timbre and adjust the speaker's individual sound size according to your preferences. Support Bluetooth phone. Support for local or online video. Support map navigation. You can also download other apps. Okay.